another contractor called me. Gee, I can't. He has a truck and he can't move his truck, and could you get me out? And I said, why get you out? The roads are not plowed. There's 3 to 4 or 5 foot drifts on the road. And there's ladies that live way up in the woods. It'll be days before they get out. And they're kind of panicking. And, well, they have to realize that you just can't get out sometimes. Well, that's the way it is here in Cape Breton, and I guess we just have to have a good supply of craft dinner on hand.